asking a random guy to
Excuse me,
record my set, then moaning
Do you
his
mind taking
name
a
during
video
it.
for me real quick?
Oh yeah.
It's already rolling. I'm just gonna do this over here for
Okay.
a few sets.
Yeah,
I just
gotcha.
wanted to track my progress.
Okay.
What's your name, by the way?
Bobby. I'm Seth. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do a few reps right here.
All right.
And you know, I'm not too particular on it. I'm just trying to track my progress. So yeah, just make sure you get the angles right. And all right, here we go. You get at least 8. Oh, oh, Bobby.
What?
Oh, Bobby.
What?
Bobby.
Hey, all right, yeah.